Let's look at how to draw this spanner with one head. Alright, so let's draw a very short horizontal line. Let's draw a vertical line through this point. Notice that we have a line drawn through this point, and that line is 30 degrees to the vertical line. Alright, so I'm going to draw that angle using the 30-degree set square. Alright, we just confirmed it. It's 30 degrees. So we're going to draw this end. The distance is 38 millimeters. Alright, 19 millimeters here, another 19 millimeters here. We're going to use parallel line construction for this exercise. Note that I'm using thick lines to draw this figure, alright, because I want you guys to see what I'm drawing. But when you're drawing it yourself, make sure to use thin lines, but it shouldn't be too thin, alright. Now I'm going to draw this arc. It has a radius of 25 millimeters. Now let's draw this side. Radius of 31 millimeters. Alright. So we stand at this point and draw an arc with radius 31 millimeters. With the same radius, stand here and draw another arc. Now there's this arc here. which is having a radius of 54 millimeters. It connects the arcs that we just drew, this and this. Now to this side, the distance here is 34 millimeters, alright? So 17 millimeters to both sides of this line. Now, there is a circle here, alright, that joins this line to this arc here, and the same thing happens at the other side, alright. Now this small circle touches this arc externally, so to get a center, we need to add both radii, alright. So 25 plus 31 should give us 56 millimeters. Now we'll measure 25 millimeters to cross the arc we just drew. Now stand on this curve and draw an arc that connects this arc to the line here, alright. We're going to repeat the same thing at the other end of the spanner. So at this point, we have this circle that is tangential externally to this arc. It has a radius of 59 millimeters. Alright, so we'll add it to this radius. So 59 plus 54. That should give us 113 millimeters, which is the same as 11.3 centimeters. Alright, so now measure 59 millimeters to draw that arc. To stand on any point on this line to draw this arc, making sure that it connects this line to the arc here, it should be externally tangent to this arc. Alright, so I'm going to clean these lines so we would better appreciate the spanner we just drew. Alright, so we've been able to draw this spanner. Please leave a comment in the section below. Let us know if this video was helpful. Also, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.